Hey guys, today we will be playing, I'm sorry. Today we will be looking at chickens. This is a... What is this? This is a Cinnastar, is that what it says? And those are Cinnastars and
Calico Princess.
Yeah, that's weird. And what's that one? Cinnastar, is that what it says?
Cinnastar, yeah, I guess. Never heard of it.
Yes, there's chickens.
Approximately 290 eggs per year.
Probably. Wait, what?
Approximately lays 290 eggs a year.
That's a lot of eggs. Over here we have nothing at all. Over here we have nothing at all. Over here we got nothing at all. Over here we have a baby tick. Let me do something real quick. Okay, over there. Okay. Okay. Okay, over there we have, I don't know what those chickens are, but over there's some ducks. Oh, we can go check those out. Over here, there is no ducks in here. Where are all the chickens?
They're out of a lot of them,
Well, those are the chickens. And, oh my gosh. Wait. What is it? Look at that chicken. Those are what? There is Turkins, I think it says, and Croatian rocks, I think. And here's the pigs that my dad was talking about. Here's the rooster. Do it again. What's this place called again?
Tractor Supply.
Tractor Supply?
Yeah.
This place is called Tractor Supply. If you want to come here, like, I don't know, in the summer they might have more chickens. And this place is called Tractor Supply, if I didn't say
We'll
it.
have to go back to
Yeah?
Rural King to get more.
Yeah, and there's a bunch of Rural King,
money with me
too.
or I could buy one of these.
Okay, can I end the video?
Yeah.
Goodbye, guys. I'll see you in the next video.